Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you can't hear anyone on your Discord. We will go through several troubleshoot steps from adjusting Discord settings to changing the system sound output to ensure you get back to enjoying your audio. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, open your Discord. Then just simply click on the gear icon to access the user settings. Now navigate to the voice and video section. In the output devices, click on the drop down menu and choose the output device you want to use for audio playback. If that doesn't work, make sure to always check if the input volume and output volume is at 200. As you can see right over here, the input volume is 0. So just increase this to max. Now, if you're still unable to hear anyone, the next thing that you have to do is you have to just simply scroll down till the very bottom until you find a section called audio subsection. Now click on this drop down menu, and now for most devices standard is the best option. However, if you're still experiencing issue, try automatic or try legacy. Now whenever you will do this, just click OK to save the changes, and after you click OK, Discord will restart automatically. Next, open your start menu and search for sound setting. Then open sound setting. Now over here, just make sure under the output section that the correct listening device is selected and the volume is turned at least above 80. Now just scroll down, and over here you should have an option called more sound settings. Click on that. Now this small window pop-up will appear in front of you. Now in the playback tab, open the output device, which is going to be this one over here. So right click, then click on properties. Now in properties panel, go to levels, and in the levels, simply verify that the volume is high enough for you to understand. Then switch to the advanced tab, uncheck both the options in the exclusive mode, which you can see right over here. Then click on apply, then hit OK. After changing the system settings, right click on the audio center, then click on open volume mixture, and in this panel just simply try to find Discord and make sure the volume is up, and make sure to click on this small drop down menu and to select the correct output device, which you can see right over here. And if it's default, just simply choose default and check if you're able to hear anything or not. And if you have multiple versions of Discord, do the same for both of them. Now if you're still having the issue, what you have to do is go back to your Discord, then click on the user settings, go to voice and video under app settings. Now scroll down till the very bottom and then click on reset voice settings. Then just simply click on OK, and then it will reconfigure your audio devices and select the settings as needed. Now if all of the previous steps didn't work, the only option left for you is to reinstall the entire Discord or use an alternative version of Discord. Or even just go to a browser and go to the download section of Discord and try to download the experimental version of Discord, which is going to be Discord test mode, which you can see right over here. So choose Windows for it, and it will be similar to Discord, but there will be test features as it is usually created for testing different type of features and apps and bug fixes. So you can also try this particular version of Discord as well to see if your issue is fixed or not. And one more thing that you should always keep in mind whenever you're in a Discord server with someone, make sure that the person you're talking with is not muted and the volume is also high enough. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.